My greetings, human. I ask you not to fear my form of a white wolf, as I have a request. Though it seems you have a fully booked breakfast service, I would humbly like to request a seat so I may see if the claims are true. Are they, by the way? Yes, you speak to a Kamui, but that doesn't answer my question, mortal. Whether I am a god or a divine being of some other nature shall not change your claim, if it were a true one. Tales have swept the lands of your little shop, human. The shop that apparently sells the greatest dumplings in the world, yes? Ah, you perk so quickly to assure me the claims are all true. Well, can you state as much if you turn a patron away? You are respectful to things that frighten you, but not outwardly afraid. Interesting. I thank you for welcoming me, human. Allow me to change my appearance so I don't frighten the others here. Ah, my thanks. A menu. Very well. One of everything if you'd be so kind. And I will love a cup of that award-winning tea before you ask. Thank you. People seem rather calm here, human. You do know how to present a comforting atmosphere. Tell me, have you raised children? Your own? Siblings? I see. You have that air about you. Of pride being reached through surviving hardships. Of working for every small victory. Of feeling it all has paid off thanks to your hard work and humility. You are jovial in the face of my challenge, greeting me as you would any guest. No, I do not desire any special treatment. Now, what's first on the menu? Oh, wood-seared scallion pancakes. Interesting. Plate 1. Let us taste. Yes, that is indeed delicious. And some sour plum juice to pair? You really do enjoy trying to ensure your customers have a great experience, huh? What is next, human? Oh, soup dumplings. Delightful. A cold day such as this one pairs well with warm broth. Plate 5 already? Goodness, your workers are quite determined. You must lead a tight ship, my human friend. Why am I so curious about your qualities? I am observant, that is all. I find you beautiful in many senses. Are human men less forward with their interests? Fascinating. You'd think they'd be more bold given how much less time they have. Would you prefer if I were more coquettish? I fear Horky Kamui does not have that playful side. I am reserved, calm, until I see something I really want and then... I tend to get a bit forward when that happens. I can be a bit impatient. Did I come here seeking a mate? I believe we are on dish number 6 now, yes? Some roasted fish from your lakes here. Delicious. Why do I wear a cowl? Well, I have to keep some mystery, don't I? If you saw me licking my lips hungrily, you may not know if it was over the food or over peering at you for this long. And I will hate to waste the opportunity to see someone with your spirit so flustered. You have many patrons here who aren't quite as human as they seem. Others like me, who have come here either out of curiosity or to see if a heavenly maiden escaped her lord. But personally, I think you are as human as you say, which makes you very rare. Oh, do not fret, my dear. There are not many kami here today. Certainly none that will see me act in my role. I have searched many foreign lands, many kingdoms, for a mate. I desired someone adventurous but humble, someone passionate enough to make even the moon jealous. I have served as courier to gods more powerful than myself, and I find myself humbled each day by my position, lonely. I heard tell of you and simply had to see for myself. The woman that hosts gods and does not even know. Lord Yama, for instance. Sir?
Hi, Horku.
Yes. Your little shop here is quite well liked by other divine lords and ladies. I suppose that is enough endorsement to confirm you really do serve the best dumplings in the world. I congratulate you on being able to live a life that pleases you so. Would you consider being my bride? I can offer you luxuries beyond what you could experience here. You can keep your shop as you please, of course. I am not the commanding sort, in most regards. You will be trusted to walk at my side as much as at your own. Think on it, if you will. I will return when you decide, my would-be bride.